happening before now.
Okay, I'm sure you are not unaware of the $9.6 billion case Nigeria is fighting with P&ID, Process and Investment Development Company. If this administration gets as a lawyer, gets a favorable verdict in which Nigerian assets are not thrown away to some foreign company, won't that be a strong achievement with Mr. President?
I must be sincere with you. From where the information I've gathered so far, it will be very difficult for us to have any favorable judgment in our favor, because the only favorable judgment you can have is to have the money reduced. That's the only favorable. Because you know why? We have not done the right thing at the right time. We didn't take the right step at the right time when we were supposed to act. We dilly-dally. You know, I was informed that, or I read that the issue came before the previous government. That is when I talk about previous government, I'm talking about Jonathan administration now.
Okay.
They handled the issue in a way, and then in 2014 or 15, when they are leaving, they left. They were able to negotiate the contract on the award.
Yes.
To a reasonable amount. That's 850 million naira, $1 million.
Is it million or billion?
$1 million. Okay. $850 million. Okay. That was the negotiation, and then that was handed over to the current government. But the current government, I seem not to do anything about it. They abandoned it and left it until it gets to this area where it becomes difficult for us to do anything, because they've gotten an award. And I'm aware, as a lawyer, that when an award of this nature is given, you have a period of time within which you are supposed to take steps, either to set it aside or to appeal against it. We are far away from those period. It's not more than 3, 4, 4 months.
Okay,
we are over 5 years now.
Okay, let me take you back.
So that's why I say I doubt if, based on technicality, that case will have we're able to get any positive result from it.
Okay, let me take you back a little, Barrister. In this particular case, of course, it was the project or the contract started in 2010. In 2015, there was an appeal, if not 2013. And we also heard that a tribunal sat in place that gave the first judgment in favor of P&ID. And the government took steps and appealed the case to the Federal High Court right here in Nigeria. And we heard that appeal failed. I think from what you say you read, and from what we were informed also from the media, it was on 2 occasions the federal government took steps and those appeal failed. Don't you think that the government didn't sleep or rest on its oars? It take preemptive steps, but that the appeal didn't work in its favor?
No, we didn't do the needful. We're not too aggressive in pursuing it. That's the way I see it. We are not too aggressive in it. I'm aware that the appeal they filed. I'm not aware that they filed an appeal that failed in that regard. They only filed processing at the Federal High Court recently to stop them from enforcing the judgment after it has been taken. It has been granted. So I think if we have done the needful before the award was finally given, or the time the award was concluded, then we will have gotten a soft landing in that regard. But I think we have an issue in this country whereby we take, particularly this government, I won't lie to you, they take their time to do things. When you're in government, you don't take time. You do things proactively. You act. You know why I said so was that, I was listening to the Minister of Justice just a few days ago, and the minister was asking the CBN and 13 ministers to submit the details of the contract to him. Excuse me? Is it telling me that he's not aware of the contract all this while? Is the minister telling me the details of the contract are not known to him? So what legal advice is now giving the government? On what basis is he giving advice to the government if you are not aware of the details of the contract? Because for you as a lawyer to be able to advise your client properly, you must see the details of what is on ground. You don't just advise based on what you hear on Facebook or paper or what people are just told you. You have to look at it on your own and compare and see. Look at the judgment, look at the contract, and see whether or not there's any area where you can take advantage of. I'm just being told that the minister said 3 days ago or 4 days ago that he wants to get the details. He wants the CBN and the 13 ministers to submit the details of that report or contract to him, which means that the minister is not even aware of the contract. So what are we defending?